Healthy habits for kids. Tips for keeping your child active and engaged.
Healthy habits are important for kids to develop early on in life to maintain their physical and mental well-being. Encourage your child to engage in physical activity for at least an hour every day, limit screen time, and provide healthy snacks. Make physical activity fun by finding activities your child enjoys and getting involved yourself. Encourage outdoor play and involve your child in meal planning and preparation to promote nutritious eating habits. Creating a supportive environment with positive role models can help your child stay motivated. Celebrate milestones along the way and encourage rest and relaxation to maintain a healthy balance. These healthy habits can benefit your child throughout their lifetime. As a parent or caregiver, it's important to encourage healthy habits for kids, including staying active and engaged. Here are some tips to help keep your child on the path to good health. But before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. 1. Make physical activity a regular part of your child's routine. Making physical activity a regular part of your child's routine is crucial for their overall health and well-being. Encourage your child to engage in at least 60 minutes of physical activity every day, such as playing sports, going for a walk or bike ride, dancing, or swimming. You can also find ways to incorporate physical activity into their daily routine, such as walking or biking to school, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, or doing household chores that involve movement. By making physical activity a regular part of your child's routine, you can help them establish healthy habits that will benefit them throughout their lives.
2. Limit screen time.
Limiting screen time is important for your child's health and well-being. Excessive screen time can lead to a sedentary lifestyle and can have negative impacts on your child's physical and mental health. Encourage your child to take breaks from screen time, and set limits on the amount of time they spend in front of a screen each day. You can also help your child find alternative activities to screen time, such as reading a book, playing a board game, or engaging in physical activity. By limiting screen time, you can promote healthy habits and help your child maintain a balanced and active lifestyle.
3. Encourage outdoor play.
Encouraging outdoor play is an excellent way to promote physical activity and support your child's overall health and well-being. Spending time in nature can have a positive impact on your child's physical and mental health, as well as encourage their imagination and creativity. Encourage your child to play outside and explore the natural world by planning outdoor activities such as hiking, biking, playing at the park, or simply going for a walk. You can also help your child engage in outdoor play by providing them with equipment such as balls, frisbees, and jump ropes. By encouraging outdoor play, you can help your child develop a love for physical activity and the natural world.
4. Make physical activity fun. Making physical activity fun is a key factor in keeping children active and engaged. Children are more likely to participate in activities they find enjoyable, so finding activities that appeal to them is essential. Encourage your child to participate in activities that interest them, such as dancing, sports, or playing outside with friends. Incorporating music or games into physical activities can also make them more enjoyable. Creating an atmosphere of play and fun can help your child develop a positive attitude towards exercise and encourage them to maintain a healthy lifestyle. By making physical activity fun, you can help your child develop a lifelong love of movement and physical fitness. 5. Be a role model.
Being a role model is a crucial way to promote healthy habits, including physical activity, in your child. Children learn by example, so modeling healthy behaviors and attitudes can have a profound impact on their lives. Engage in physical activity yourself and make it a priority in your life, while encouraging your child to join you. Model healthy eating habits and prioritize nutritious food choices. Set boundaries on screen time and emphasize the importance of rest and relaxation. 6. Provide healthy snacks. Providing healthy snacks is a great way to support your child's overall health and well-being. Snacking can be an important part of a child's diet, but it's important to choose nutritious options that will provide energy and nourishment. Some healthy snack options include fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grain crackers, low-fat cheese, nuts and seeds, and yogurt. Avoid snacks that are high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. By providing healthy snacks, you can help your child develop healthy eating habits and maintain a balanced and nutritious diet. Encourage your child to make healthy snack choices by involving them in the selection and preparation process.
7. Create a supportive environment.
Creating a supportive environment is essential for promoting healthy habits, including physical activity, in your child. Supportive environments can provide the necessary encouragement and resources to help your child develop positive habits and behaviors.
Making physical activity a priority and providing opportunities for your child to be active. Creating a positive and encouraging atmosphere that promotes healthy habits and behaviors. Providing healthy food options and encouraging healthy eating habits. Encouraging rest and relaxation to promote physical and mental well-being. Offering praise and recognition for positive behaviors and achievements. By creating a supportive environment, you can help your child develop a positive attitude towards physical activity and overall wellness, setting them up for a lifetime of healthy habits. 8. Involve your child in meal planning and preparation.
Involving your child in meal planning and preparation is a great way to promote healthy eating habits and encourage a positive relationship with food. It can also be a fun and educational experience for both you and your child. Letting your child choose healthy ingredients and recipes. Allowing your child to help with tasks such as washing and chopping vegetables or stirring ingredients. Encouraging your child to help with setting the table or serving the meal. Teaching your child about the nutritional benefits of different foods. Using the opportunity to discuss portion sizes and balanced meals. By involving your child in meal planning and preparation, you can empower them to make healthy choices and foster a positive relationship with food.
9. Encourage rest and relaxation.
While physical activity is important, rest and relaxation are also crucial for your child's overall health and well-being. Encourage your child to get enough sleep each night and to engage in relaxation activities such as yoga or meditation.
10. Celebrate milestones.
Celebrate your child's accomplishments and milestones along the way. Whether it's completing a 5K race or learning a new dance move, acknowledging your child's achievements can help them stay motivated and engaged in their healthy habits. By following these tips, you can help your child develop healthy habits that will last a lifetime. Remember, the key is to make physical activity and healthy living fun and enjoyable. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing information about kids' self-development, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.